I am here today with product reviews and challenges, and we're going to be reviewing the Ecoviva filtration system. Guess we have to do a bit of unboxing here, so let's see what this is about. Oh, it looks like it's a pretty big unit, actually. So here we have the Ecoviva. I'm just going to take the plastic off and see what this is about. And this is what it looks like. This is cute. Hi, I'm Alicia Ruby, and we're here today with product review and challenges, and we're going to be reviewing the Ecoviva water filtration system. This is a filtration system that is very lightweight and compact. It has a lot of cool special features like temperature control. It has its own reverse osmosis filtration system, as well as its own TDS meter, and it kills 99.9% of all microorganisms within your water. TDS system indicates dissolved solids in many solutions, usually being water, such as salts and minerals. This filtration system holds up to 4.5 liters of water. Let's talk about the filtration. It has a 6-in-1 composite filtration system with ultraviolet. This machine is designed and engineered in the US, and it kills 99.99% of all contaminants. 6 steps of filtration include PP sediment, activated carbon, fine PP sediment, scale inhibitor, 0.1 micron OR membrane. This machine removes many contaminants. One that caught my eye the most was the fact that it removes heavy metals, fluoride. It also removes chlorine, PFOAs, PFOs, and it also removes nitrate. This machine also allows you to control the temperature of your water from a normal temperature or to hot. If you want to make baby formula, you can change the temperature to 115. If you'd like to make tea and coffee, you can change it to 185. Or just for plain boiling foods, you can put it at 212. Here in the front of the machine, we have the different settings. We have normal temperature, then we have the 115 for the baby formula, and then we have 185 for tea and coffee, and then you have your highest setting here for boiling water, so you can boil any kind of foods, eggs, stuff like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to take the filter out. Make sure that you use this tool. It comes with the whole unit. And you're going to place this right on top, just like so. You're going to just turn it. And when you turn it, you can then pull it right out. And then you change your filter and you put it right back in. And you lock it back into place. And then boom. You can easily remove the top like so. Put it here, and this comes right off. And you take it to the sink and you fill it up and you put it back, just like so. And it slides right back down into place. And you want to make sure you lock it and put the top right back on. Growing up here in California, I've always been told that Orange County has the cleanest drinking water. And you know, that could be true, but the pipes could be old, the houses are old, pipes can be corrosive, things like that. So we do recommend this product here at Product Reviews and Challenges, and I think you should check it out and try it for yourself. There's going to be a link in the description below, and you can check it out and buy it yourself.